Hey guys, happy spring. Today we are going to check out how did the raised garden bed that we created with file cabinets, how it's doing. We're going to check the garden and we're going to pull off the covering. We're just going to get ready for spring the best way we can. We still have the furniture covered. We haven't done that, but you know, every day, one day is really hot and then one day is cold. So we don't know what's going on. We're just going to do what we can. At first, I'm going to show you how the rosemary did because I tried to bring it inside and use lights. It's outside. We're going to check that out. I think the other parsley and mint didn't last, and I thought mint was really easy, but we'll see. We're just going to keep trying, and I am going to plant something for spring. I don't know exactly where I'm going to plant it yet, but let's check out everything. I wanted to, bring you along and see. Okay, let's try it. Here is my rosemary. It looks dry. I guess I need to water it today. That made it. That made it through a whole winter. The mint, look at that. Little bit of life right there. We'll take it. We'll take it. My parsley, on the other hand, it was inside. And now, yeah, we're going to get some more of that. All right, so let's go and take a look at the garden.
Quick flashback to this winter when it was super cold. For the first time, we added a plant cover over the raised beds before the first frost. The sad thing is after we secured it with the bricks and it survived the snow, I really didn't check for the plants anymore. We were just hoping they would make it through.
Let's take a look at the garden. Let's see what we got going on. Well, just from the outside, the paint and everything looks really good. Look how much dirt went down though. Oh my goodness. Look at that. These plants ate up the dirt, so we're gonna need more dirt. This around here. In here, guess I'll take that out. I think those are the pepper plants, but let's see what we have going on in here. Let me pull it back a little bit and adjust it. Let's see what we got. Take these off. We're gonna take the bricks off first that we had holding the cover down. And remember when we had that frost, we covered it. And guys, I have not watered my garden, my winter garden. And I'm not sure if I remember what I even planted. So let's see what we have under here. I need to take this plant down and replace that. We had a lot of these bricks. Okay, so let's see how we're doing. Oh my goodness, guys. Oh, this is like a miracle. Oh my goodness. Are you seeing it? Let's see. Ooh. Oh. Oh, there was a little butterfly. I have some lettuce. I think this was cabbage, but oh my goodness, I don't even know what this is. This was basil, but that died. This is kale, but this looks good. Guys, look how amazing this is. I haven't done anything in it the whole winter. Look over here. Let's check over here. We have some more lettuce. Oh, it's beautiful. I'm going to eat some today. This was collard greens, but I don't think we can eat them anymore because they have flowered. Okay, well, let's take a look at these cabinets, the file cabinets. I mean, as far as the exterior, it looks good. The paint looks good, even down at the bottom. Okay, what I do notice is there is some rusting around here, and the dirt level went down so far on all of them where we planted. Do you remember how the dirt level was? These plants sucked up this dirt. So I'm going to have to re-dirt everything. And this wood that we covered with the deck paint, that looks good through the winter. There's a little bit of rusting right here and over here. But as far as like the durability, and we added these poles so that we can put the tomatoes on. We'll do that next season. I'm not really worried about the rusting that much. If you guys have any ideas on what I should plant in the wintertime, please let me know, because I am going to have to clean all this stuff up. Whatever this material was, it did a great job to cover the garden, but I didn't come back to cut it, so I need to do that. I'm going to need to get my cabbage, get some of this lettuce off of here. I wonder if it's still good before any of it bolts. I'm gonna try some. I'm gonna pick some. I am still amazed at how much it grew with the only thing we did was cover it. We just covered. We knew it was cold, but as far as like feeding it, I mean, I did put the soil, I did put some, nutrient soil and fertilizer before we planted, but that was it. These grew all on their own, all by themselves. It's amazing. Through the rain and the snow, I mean, it needs a whole spring refresh here. But the file cabinets made it through the winter. The paint and everything we used still looks good. So I picked some of the lettuce and I'm gonna make a salad today. And I'm gonna rethink what we're gonna do for spring. I'm ready for it. I'm ready to eat outside again. I'm ready for the sun. I am just ready for spring to come full force and find some more treats in the garden. I'm just ready for spring. So we have some planning to do of what projects we're gonna do for refreshing and updating our 80s home. So we have a lot to do. I will keep you up to date. We're just gonna take it one project at a time. All right, so remember, you can DIY too, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.